This is cheese bacon. I don't know if this will work, but this is based on those Cheese Krispies that cost $1,000 a bag that you can get at your favorite grocery store. For this recipe, you're gonna need some parchment paper on a baking sheet, a cutting board, a preheated oven at 400 degrees, a nice sharp knife, and some cheese. Today we're gonna be using two types of cheese. Number one, smoked Gouda. Smoked Gouda. And some red Leicester. Red Leicester. All right, to set this up, simply lay your two chopsticks about 1.5 inches across, maybe 2 inches, whatever that may be. Next, we're gonna open our cheese. Take out our cheddar, our red Leicester, and we got our smoked Gouda. What we're gonna do is basically cut up little strips. Ah! Just joking. It's just hot sauce. Ah! So these strips are gonna be approximately 1 centimeter. I know I'm mixing metric with, what's it called?
Imperial.
Imperial, thank you. I know I'm mixing metric with imperial, but we got 2 inches here, 1 centimeter here. All right, now we're gonna line these up in between the chopsticks. And we're gonna alternate between the white and the orange. Now they don't have to be perfect because it's all gonna melt anyway. Now the orange cheese is gonna represent the meat of the bacon, and the white is gonna represent the fat in the bacon. When you're done, it should look something like this. We're gonna pop this in a 400-degree Fahrenheit oven for approximately 10 minutes. But keep an eye on it. You don't want it to burn. You just want it to melt and bubble. I'll just put a timer on. All right, guys. It's been 10 minutes. It looks crispy. It looks stripy like bacon. It smells smoky like bacon. This just might work. Now we just have to wait for it to cool and crisp up, and we'll be good to go. The moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, it's retained the stripes like bacon, the smokiness like bacon, and the crispiness like bacon. Very greasy like bacon. I hope you try this at home. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Please subscribe if you haven't already, so we can have much more adventures together.